Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up the Opera GX browser, how to reduce lags and speed up the page loading process. Let's start. First, open Opera GX on your PC. The first step is click on GX Control on the left sidebar. Here you can see the RAM and CPU limiters. If these are turned on or set to low, Opera GX is decreasing its own performance. So please just turn them off completely and you're good to go. For the next step, we are going to check and manage the extensions. For this, click on the puzzle icon in the left sidebar. Disable or remove any extension you don't use every single day. Even if you aren't really using them, extensions run heavily in the background and constantly drain your RAM and cause several browser stuttering. For the third step, we are going to click on settings right here and then we go to privacy and security. Under privacy protection right here, you must toggle on these two options: block ads and surf the web up to 3 times faster, and block trackers. For the fourth and last step, we are going to click on system. Make sure use hardware acceleration when available is turned on. This forces your graphics card to handle heavy videos instead of crushing your CPU. You can also turn on this option right here, which is use DNS over HTTPS instead of the system's DNS settings. Here you can decide which DNS provider you want. Try for example Cloudflare as a default or Google Public DNS. You will find out which one is the best for you and your connection. In the end, just restart Opera GX and you're good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.